to care when spring is in the air.
Look, Florence, the first butterfly of the year. That means spring has arrived.
The meadows all shined up like new. The skies are blue, a shade of blue. And every flower shakes off the rain. Every butterfly flies again. Everybody's up for the sun. The grass just got greener. Here comes the fun. Finally it's begun. Spring has sprung.
Well, I never. A new egg. A new egg. A new egg lily. Oh, do you know what this means? Spring really is here.
I know. I was just saying the same to Florence.
How I adore the spring! Time for eggs to hatch. Time for fluffy little chicks. Time for
Berry battle!
Well, hey, you never said we could wear helmets, Peter.
You never asked. Whoa! Nice shot! Watch out!
What? They should be using those strawberries to make some nice juicy muffins, not throwing them around like that.
Whoa! Okay, you win!
Yeah, woohoo! Yeah, I love berry battles in spring. Where'd you get the helmet from, anyway?
Oh, I just sort of borrowed it.
Oh, Benjamin, you two haven't been playing with my mixing bowl, have you?
Mixing bowl? I think we just
should go and see what Lily's doing, don't you, Benjamin?
All right, but if you find it, I'm trying to make more strawberry muffins.
Peter, why don't you just tell us what you're looking for and then we can help you find it? Peter?
Ha!
Look out! Whoa! Hey, careful!
Ooh, it's my journal. I can't find it anywhere.
Journal?
You know, the journal. The one my dad left for me.
Ow. Okay, you've got to think logically. When did you last see it?
I was reading it in bed last night. Then I was dreaming. And then I heard a hoot. And then... Of course! Oh, ow!
Peter?
Old Brown stole my journal! I've got to get it back!
I'll help you.
Owl Island, here I come!
Wait, Peter! Owl Island is half a mile away. I know that for a fact. We can't swim that far.
But I've got to get over there.
What we need is a boat.
Yes, we could build one. The plans are in my dad's journal. Oh, this is exactly why we need to get it back.
Maybe the squirrels can help us.
Squirrels don't have boats, Benjamin.
No, but they have rafts. I've got this.
Here's Benjamin.
That got their attention.
Thanks for the lift, Nutkin.
I'm not Nutkin.
You're not?
I'm not even a squirrel. And neither are my friends. Psst. Hey guys, it's me, Nutkin. Great disguise, huh?
Brilliant. We would have never guessed you were squirrels.
We're on a top secret mission. All very hush-hush.
Us too.
Watch out for that grumpy owl, then. He hates visitors, especially squirrels.
Oh, it's those rowdy rabbits again. I'll teach them to wake me.
Does it hurt? Hurt? No, of course not.
Whoa! Do you think you can get back on the cart?
The cart? Peter, the cart's what got him hurt in the first place.
That was just bad luck. Next time it will be perfect.
Can I say something? Ouchie. I think you sprained your paw. Is that bad? You've just got to keep it still and you'll be all right. One of us should get my dad. He's a doctor. He'll know what to do. It's all brown!
Quick, under the cart!
Oh. We're gonna be an owl snack.
Let's run for it.
Run for it? I can't even walk. Wait, Peter. Down there. That looks like one of your dad's secret escape tunnels.
Good old Dad. Quick, before old Brown spots us.
Not the cart again. It's the only way to get you there, Benjamin.
Come on, I won't let anything else happen to you.
Come back here, you bothersome bunnies!
Go faster!
A meal on wheels! How convenient!
Quick, leave!
Run away if you must. A good chase will help me work up an appetite.
Peter, the tunnel! We're going to miss it!
Talon time! Oh, tail feathers! Oh.
Phew, we're safe.
Think you can wake up a badger and get away with it? Where am I?
Oh. Hi, Dad.
Lily Bobtail, do you know what time it is?
Dinner's been on the table for half an hour.
Badger.
No, Warren, we're having carrots and celery.
I mean, I smell Badger. Lily?
All right, maybe I was chased by Tommy Brock, but I got away. I'm fine.
That does it. This valley is just too dangerous. I said if there was one more scrape like this, one more brush with badgers or foxes or owls, we were leaving. No buts. My mind is made up. We're moving.
But how can we be friends if you move away? I know, Benjamin. But my parents don't think I'm safe here. Maybe I can come and visit. Well, I think it's rotten. What about you,
What we need is a picnic.
Peter, how can you even think about food at a time like this? I'm moving away.
Listen, we'll have a picnic and invite your mum and dad. Show them this is the safest place in the world.
Aren't you forgetting something? It's never safe with Tommy Brock and Mr. Todd and Old Brown around.
We just have to make sure they don't show up to our picnic. Come on, let's hop to it.
Off you go, no time to lose, you best be on your way. Off you go, 'cause you can't afford to fail today. Proceed with care, think fast and stay aware, and you'll succeed at what you're trying to do. So off you go, and you should know the golden reach is waiting there for you.
Quick, let us down.
All right.
Thanks, Nutkin.
Pleasure.
Door shut.
Check.
Windows and chimney blocked.
Check.
Open up! Open the door!
Ah, now they're all locked up inside. It's time for a completely safe picnic with your mum and dad.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Someone must have eaten them. Oh, imagine. Have you seen them? Oh, have you? Have you? Oh, whatever has happened to my freshly baked oatcakes?
Your oat What oatcakes, Mrs. Puddle-Duck?
Only the sweetest, crumbliest, oatcakiest oatcakes I ever did bake. They must have fallen out of my basket on the way to the river. Oh, someone did eat them. Imagine.
Yes, imagine eating someone else's oatcakes.
Mr. Todd took them.
Oh my. Oh, dearie me. Oh, my. Well, there's only one thing to be done. I should have words with that thieving fox right away.
Phew. I thought we were in trouble there for sure. Jemima Puddle-Duck's the one in trouble. She's heading to Mr. Todd's. And foxes eat ducks.
Yeah, this is bad. Very bad. I didn't think she'd go looking for him. We've got to stop her.
Stole my oatcakes. The chick. I'm going to give that fox a piece of my mind.
I say, stop making this infernal hullabaloo. Oh, and what do we have here?
I will make a hullabaloo, what's it, Mr. Todd? You ate my oatcakes without asking.
Oatcakes? Ugh, too plain for me. I'm more of a meat eater.
Now it's no use telling fibs, Mr. Todd.
But my dear Jemima, to have one's precious oatcakes stolen must be exceedingly distressing.
Oh, it is. Exceedingly. Ellie.
So please, let me cook you a brand new batch. It's the very least I can do for such a fair lady.
Oh, well, you are a gentleman. And here I was thinking you were no good, Nick. What a silly.
Mr. Todd's lying. He's not going to cook oatcakes. He's going to cook Jemima.
Not if we can help it. Come on.
Oh, dear. I'm such a butterwings.
Nonsense. Besides, for such an honoured guest, we should use only my largest cooking pot. Here we are. My recipe for roast duck.
My, this pot is enormous. I could fit in there myself.
You don't say.
Don't let go. Don't let go. Almost down. Hold on tight, Benjamin.
This mixture seems awfully watery for oatcakes.
It's almost perfect. Just needs one more thing. The lid.
Oh, no, you don't. You leave Mrs. Puddle-Duck alone, or else.
Peter Rabbit! What a surprise, and just in time to join us for
Yes, Peter. Do stay for dinner. I insist. Now, I wonder who to have for the main course.
Lily, I can't. Oh.
Eeny, meeny, miny.
Me, oh my. Oh, my poor nerves. And just look at all this mess. Rule 1 of cooking, Mr. Todd. Keep a tidy kitchen. No, this won't do. Good day to you.
Dizzy Duck! Thanks to you, duck is off the menu. But it's a good thing I prefer rabbits.
Oh no, Peter!
He might be bigger than us, but we're quicker. Let's hop to it.
Oh! Hey!
Mr. Todd, over here!
Stand your ground. You got no time to get away. Stand your ground. Come on, think fast and you can save the day. You can't just run. This game is all or none. You've got to use your wits to get you through. So stand your ground. Look around. I know you're gonna figure out what to do.
Peter!
Let's get out of here.
Hi, Mrs. Puddle-Duck.
Oh, fancy seeing you again.
We have something to tell you, Mrs. Puddle-Duck. Don't we, Peter?
We were the ones who ate your oatcakes. We're sorry.
We made you some more, though.
Oh.
They might be a bit burnt.
And please, Mrs. Puddle-Duck, if a fox ever offers you oatcakes again, don't take them. He was going to eat you.
Eat me? A nice gentleman like Mr. Todd? Stuff and nonsense.
Oh, well, we tried. Ready, Benjamin? Catch.
Phew. Quietly. In the sack. Oh no. Phew. Oops.
Run! Benjamin!
Oh no!
Come on!
That was close. What now? Let's go home.
No way! We are not going home without those sprouts. Hey! Let's hide under here until the coast is clear. A good rabbit.
Never gives up. Never give up. Never give up. I've got an idea. Yes, I really have an actual real idea. You do? I mean, of course you do. Lily, get a bunch of the canes that held up the tomato plants. Together they might be strong enough to lift the crates. How many? As many as you can carry. Right. I've got to get a pot.
Come on! Hey, where'd everybody go? Don't ask me. I've got no idea what the plan is.
It's perfect! Now, tie them together so they're nice and strong. Ooh, I'll use one of my special knots.
Mr. McGregor, hurry!
Okay now, on 3. 1, 2, 3! Don't forget the strawberries!
You did it!
I did? I did, didn't I?
Strawberry stealers!
Run!
Come back here! Stop!
Whoa! Up away!
Come back here, rabbits!
Phew, that was close. Do you know the way out of here, Benjamin?
Yep.
Other way.
I knew that. Let's go! That's our way out! The cat's in the way. All clear. On my signal. And go, go, go!
Benjamin?
Benjamin! Everybody okay?
Phew.
Now that's what I call a strawberry raid.
You know, Benjamin, I wasn't sure you had it in you. But I've got to admit, you were a great leader.
Well, you know what they say. Some rabbits have got it.
Hey, stop, rabbits! Stop it! Hey, cat! Stop that!
Quick, look out!
Those are my radishes!
Peter, you said Mr. McGregor wouldn't spot us taking his radishes.
Don't worry, Benjamin. He won't find us. Just keep quiet. Phew.
Whoa!
I don't like where this is going. Quick, behind here!
Dead end!
You say dead end. I say there's a secret escape tunnel dug by my dad. Huh? Not here!
I'll put you in a pie!
He said the P word.
I was sure the escape tunnel was here.
Oh, Whoa!
There it is!
Whoa!
Good old Dad.
Hurry!
Have 'em back!
The radishes! Good thing your dad dug that tunnel.
Yeah. All of his secret escapes are marked like this. See?
Wow.
Look at that. 4 of the tastiest radishes I've ever seen.
Yummy. Rabbit.
Cottontail, you don't just gobble down a whole like this. First, you trim the leaves. Then you sniff. And then you...
Peter?
Quick, hide them under the cushions. If Mum sees them, she'll know we were in Miss McGregor's garden.
Now, my dears, having a nice morning, are we?
Yes, Mum.
Yes, Auntie.
Lovely weather.
Yes.
Yes.
Been getting up to mischief in Mr. McGregor's garden?
Yeah, no.
I hope not. You know how dangerous that place can be.
Radishes.
Cottontail. Don't worry, Mum. We'd much rather be somewhere nice and safe. Safe enough to eat our radishes, that is. Let's hop to it.
And so, all we have to do is crawl in through the fence here, sneak along the onions, and ta-da! We're in Mr. McGregor's strawberry patch, with millions and squillions of the biggest berries you've ever seen.
I have to admit, Benjamin, that's a pretty good plan.
It should be. I've been working on it for 3 whole nights.
All those strawberries. It's too good to be true. I say let's do it.
And I say, since it's Benjamin's plan, he should be leader.
Yes, I should be leader. Achoo! Excuse me.
That was really sweet of you, Peter.
Do you think he can handle it?
It's just an easy strawberry raid. What could possibly go wrong?
This is it. Just like on my map.
So what do we do, boss?
Let's hop to it. I've always wanted to say that. I think I'll say it again. Let's hop to... Okay. Leaders first. Maybe if I go feet first? Nope. Arms? Nope. I know. Sideways? No. Wait! Backwards and sideways at the same time!
Hey, look!
No.
One of my dad's secret tunnels. We could get in that way. Let's go!
Wait! Give Benjamin a chance, Peter. You said he's the leader today, remember?
Yeah, but this tunnel's much wider and... He's stuck tight. This way.
Do you think Mr. McGregor heard us?
Let's hope not, or he'll put us in a pie for sure.
Can I just say that I think my strawberry raid plan is going really, really well.
Nice look.
Oh, stupid fencing.
Mr. Todd, what are you doing here?
What does it look like I'm doing, you ridiculous rabbit? I'm hunting!
What? Strawberries?
No. You! My paw!
You want to watch out for that fencing. It's tricky. Mr. McGregor! Well, it's been nice talking with you, Mr. Todd, but I'm afraid I've got to hop to it.
Wait! Peter, don't leave me. Mr. McGregor hates foxes. I'll be stuffed and put on the mantelpiece for sure.
Your father wouldn't let a fellow creature out here.
What did you say?
I said your father wouldn't have left me out here. He'd have helped.
I can't believe I'm even thinking of helping Mr. Todd. If I help you, do you promise you won't try to catch me?
No, but I'll give you a head start. All right, all right. Rabbit is off my menu for good. Fox's honour. Just get me out of here. Hurry! Silly rabbit. Never turn your back on a fox. Fox's honour. Not likely.
I like rabbits in the pot. Potatoes, peas. Nice and hot.
Wait!
You're going to have to be quick this time, Peter. Really quick. What are you waiting for? Hop to it! Well, hobble to it anyway.
You're a smart rabbit, I'll give you that.
I can hear you, you wee rascals!
But not smart enough.
No, open it!
Do you know the other thing your father would never have done, Peter? He'd have never trusted a fox.
You lied!
What can I say? I'm a fox. I confess I've always wanted to catch you, Peter, but it seems I must leave that honour to Mr. McGregor. I imagine he'd rather enjoy you in a pie. Cheerio.
You're mine, Robert!
Oh, no!
Stop, Robert!
Not today, you won't!
You wretched cat!
One of Dad's secret tunnels.
I can't believe he fell for the old fox's honour line. Silly rabbit.
That's the last time you tricked me, Mr. Todd. Two can play at that game. Yes, I'm out!
Peter Rabbit? Oh, I should have known you'd get away.
Mr. Todd! Help me! I'm stuck inside the tunnel!
Oh, I'll help, all right. Help eat you up! What on earth? No, my jacket!
Stop there, you weak heat! Those are my carrots! Come back here, Robert!
Okay, I think we're safe.
I beg to differ. Tonight, I shall feast on wild rabbits with garlic potatoes and...
Carrots?
What a splendid ordeal!
All right, now we're safe. I've got to stop saying that.
How many times have I told you? Never, ever wake me up!
What today.
Keep still, please, Benjamin.
Is it just me? Or are you tired of being chased around all the time?
That's just the way nature works. It's called the food chain. Bad-tempered badgers like Tommy Brock and frightening foxes like Mr. Todd both chase rabbits. And rabbits chase... rabbits? Exactly. Benjamin. It's the way the woods work. Big things chase little things, see? You can't change it.
If there's one word I don't like, it's can't. I've got an idea. But it'll take some work.
I've just eaten so...
Follow me! Woohoo!
Come on!
I love worms. They're so squiggly.
Throw it!
Who's there? Huh?
Huh? What are you doing?
Leaving a trail for Tommy Brock.
And why exactly are we stealing Tommy Brock's worms?
To make him stop chasing us.
But if we steal his worms, of course he's going to chase us.
Not if he thinks someone else stole them. And that someone is him. Left a bit, right a bit, and fire! Yes, right into Tommy Brock's sack.
Why do we want Mr. Todd to think that Tommy Brock stole his cane?
Because what better way to get our enemies to stop bothering us than give them new enemies? Each other!
Great thinking, Peter.
And there's another one of my worms. And another. Oh! Oi! Watch where you're... Oh. My bucket. You stole it. And my worms.
I most certainly did not. But you stole my cane.
You thief.
Liar! I will not let some blundering badger stand here and accuse me of petty theft. On guard, sir.
Oh, you want to fight? Well, I'll give you a fight, fox. Come back! Stay away from me, you nasty badger!
It works!
With those two chasing each other, they won't chase us. We are finally safe. The food chain is broken. I thank you.
Come back here, you thieving fox.
May I suggest we resume this chase after we've both had some sleep?
Yeah, good idea. At the same time, same place tomorrow. Huh?
Agreed. Wait, what's that?
That's my back, isn't it?
Not your back, you lumbering oaf. This here, look. Blue thread. Who do we know who wears blue? Oh, who would want to keep us so busy chasing each other we wouldn't chase him? Peter Rabbit.
Ah, isn't this a great day, Lily? Not a care in the world.
Maybe we need a deeper hole.
Ouch! Not a single worm. Benjamin's in so much trouble.
Here, while we're waiting, make yourself useful and give these a polish.
Ugh. Blech. Blech. Hurry, Peter. I'm telling you, Peter, there's no such thing as a flying worm.
But I just saw one. Shh. Sorry, Mr. Fisher.
That's all right, young Peter Rabbit. Just relieved you weren't a giant fish. I feared I was a goner for a moment.
Mr. Fisher, we need some worms for Tommy Brock. Fast.
Oh, let's see. Well, this worm is my last piece of bait, but you're most welcome to it.
It's a start.
Yeah! Oh. I know. Your father always said there's only one place to go if you want to find worms.
He did? Where?
Let's hope your dad was right about worms being in Mr. McGregor's garden.
I know, but look, the sun's nearly at its highest. Benjamin's depending on us. Come on.
What else can you do while we're waiting for your friends to come back? That is, if they come back.
Ta-da!
Oh, boring. Can't you liven it up a bit?
Okay. Whoa! Ouch! Ouchie! Ow!
Now that's what I call a show.
We're never going to do it.
A good rabbit never gives up. Lily, look at this. It's a whopper.
Peter?
Bah! Who am I fooling? I can't catch worms. I'm a rabbit, not a bird.
Stomp again!
Huh?
Maybe we should be birds. Their stomping brings the worms out. I know that for a fact.
Great idea.
Maybe there's something in my just-in-case pocket. Just in case. Acorn, envelope, spoon, mitten, ball of string.
I don't see how this is going to... Wait a second. Lily, that's it. String!
It looks just like a worm.
Exactly. We'll still deliver the worms, just not the way Tommy Brock expected. Let's hop to it.
Pick a pine cone. Any pine cone.
Oh, why should I? Ah!
Whoa! Not a magic fan? No problem. How about singing? I'm pretty good at that. La 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 la!
Oh, enough! Your friends aren't coming back. And if I'm not going to have my worms, then at least I can have... I know. Some nice new fluffy slippers.
Oh, of course. Why didn't you say? I'll just run to the shop and... I'm the slippers, aren't I?
Anyone for worms?
Oh, I don't believe it.
Please believe it.
Give 'em here.
No way. You let Benjamin go first.
But...
That was the deal.
Oh, all right. He'd hardly make one decent slipper anyway. Now, put the bucket down and get out of here. I like to eat alone.
Lunch for one. Coming right up. See you around, Tommy Brock.
Where are you, you fluffy little... Huh? Tommy Brock? Where did you get that bucket?
Made the rabbits collect worms for me. And you think you're clever.
Oh, you nincompoop. Those aren't worms. It's string. You've been tricked.
String, eh? Ha! Nice try, but you can't fool me. Those are worms. Now give 'em back.
Aha! Rabbits!
No, think you can spill my lunch and get away with it? Come back here, Mr. Todd!
No!
So, you tricked a brainless badger out of his lunch. Well, nothing gets in the way of my lunch.
You spilt my lunch. Time to get them paws dirty, Mr. Todd, and dig me up some worms to eat.
Oh, confounded worms. This is impossible.
Oi! Less chat and more worm catching, thank you.
Come here.
doing laundry isn't as easy as it looks, is it?
Well, thank you, Mrs. Tiggy-Winkle.
Goodbye.
Really should be going.
Always in such a rabbity rush.
There must be somewhere we can eat our radishes in peace. What we need is a tip-top idea. Oh! And it doesn't get much tip-toppier than the squirrel camp.
Rabbits are brave. Rabbits are brave. Why don't we see how many kinds of trees we can spot? There's a larch. I know that for a fact. Oh, and a pine. And
Another really, really high tree. Please, can we go back down?
Peter, I know it's pretty up here, but don't you think eating radishes in trees is, well, a little bit crazy?
Someone say crazy! I said it, and I was upside down!
Thanks for helping us out, Nutkin.
Anything for my long-eared friends. Flippity-floppity, flee, 3 rabbits in a tree.
I'm not that hungry anymore.
You know the best way to work up an appetite? Juggling!
Hey, careful with those!
Watch out, Peter!
Sorry about that, my friend. Once again, my squirrely exuberance got the best of me and caused untold heartache. Watch this.
You can open your eyes now, Benjamin. We're on the ground.
I knew that. I was just doing an extra long blink.
The radishes are gone. The radish robber must have followed us here too.
I say we could hold our breath, dive to the bottom of the river and eat our radishes there.
Or I know a perfect spot at Hilltop Farm.
We should tie it to a bird and eat it in the sky.
Ooh, we should bury it until next summer.
Hey!
Huh?
What if we just, eat it right now?
Brilliant!
Yay! Radish time!
The tree house is ours. We could do all those things.
We could? Yes, we could, if we wanted to. Do we want to?
Rabbits can't climb or jump like squirrels. I know that for a fact.
We'll do whatever we have to do to get that tree house. Nutkin, we're in.
Each of you must pass one test. Who will climb the shaky tree?
Go on, Benjamin. You can do it.
Okay. Okay. Little further. Okay, here goes. Whoa!
Whoa! Wow!
I did it! So happy about that. Help me.
Never seen it done like that before. First test, passed!
Well done, Benjamin.
Seriously, help me down.
A test of skill, patience, and being really good at not falling off stuff. Is there a shorter word for all of that? Balance! Thank you.
Oh, do it.
Peter, I've got this.
Come on, you can do it. Yes. Lily!
I'm not surprised. Few squirrels have mastered the web, let alone a rabbit.
Not bad for a rabbit, huh?
Brilliant! Two tests down, one to go. That tree house is as good as ours.
All right, moving on. Behold, the really, really big long gap that's really wide. Good idea. The big gap.
You You don't have to do this, you know.
If Peter says he can do it, he can do it. You can do it, can't you?
I have to. If I do this one last thing, we'll get that treehouse and we'll finally have a place to hide from Mr. Todd. Here goes.
He's going to do it!
Hopping hazelnuts!
Is he okay? Did I make it?
Final test. Failed. Oh, sorry, my friends. Seems only squirrels belong in trees.